Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is Trent Collins here, East Tennessee, showing you another Mesa Ridge. This is a Mesa Ridge Limited. We've talked about the differences in Limited before. Limiteds have 5 things standard that are not standard on a Mesa Ridge Lite. They're going to be frameless windows, which you can see right there. The Limited color scheme is dark gray instead of black. A little bit different graphic package. They're going to come 50 amp standard, second AC prep. You're gonna have solid surface countertops on the interior and all LED lights. You can see the exterior of the coach here. Once vacuum bonded and laminated fiberglass sidewalls, 144 pounds per square inch for 16 to 18 minutes depending on vacuuming, depending on temperature and humidity. And they tuck those panels in a secure room to cure properly before using them on the sidewalls of the trailer. Mesa Ridge has one-piece corner moldings, so they're different than most. They're triple sealed, powder coated in galvanized screws. It's 3M flashing, butyl tape, and geocell caulking. Geocell caulking is more resilient to UV and temperature fluctuations. Keeps those seals lasting long into your years of ownership. Fully walkable roof, fully walkable ladder on the back, 4,500 pound capacity. This is a PVC roof, so you can see the fully enclosed docking station there, power stabilizer jacks, 50 amp hookup, full size spare tire, aluminum alloy wheels with the Equiflex polyurethane isolated suspension, 17.8 gallon per hour quick refresh rate hot water heater. Vented generator pocket out front, nice LED running light. Here on this side you can see the third of the 20-pound propane tanks. Solar prep. Nice slam latches on the baggage doors, magnetic catches, fully lit and enclosed interior underbelly storage. This is a 291 RLS, 291 RLS. Here you can get a better look at that polyurethane independent leaf sprung suspension and the alloy wheels with self-adjusting trailer brakes. They're easy lube axles with Zerk fittings, and nitrogen filled tires. This one has the dual awning option, so LED lights in both powered awnings, speakers in the one over the door. See the frameless windows once again. Friction hinge on the door so it stays put. The wind's not going to blow it out. It's actually pretty windy today. I don't know if y'all can tell in the video, but that's going to stay put wherever we put it. And then the aluminum tread steps. No binding or rusting. Always stay nice and clean. So we go up here into the coach. Close the door so we get away from the wind noise. You can see the nice solid surface countertops. Beautiful real wood cabinetry. Lots of LED lights in here. Trifold couch out the rear. Massage and heated reclining theater seats. 4-person dinette booth with storage underneath. Vinyl in the slides, very important. Mesa Ridge is the only one that can do it. It's patented technology. Highland Ridge RV, Mesa Ridge and Open Range. You can see the bed bases there. Something else I like to show is the bed or the bunk bases or bed bases are all real plywood. It's not OSB or chipboard. Whisper quiet AC with residential style returns. It's a huge benefit for those of you that don't know. You're not having to yell over that central intake and exhausted AC. So this right here I like to point out to people too. This is the wall and ceiling joint. It's one of the most difficult joints in construction. It's why crown molding exists. To hide imperfections. Mesa Ridge is the only company I ever seen that does not put a crown molding trim here. They do not hide that junction. You can see it's a very nice thin uniform caulk line all the way from front to rear, and it just shows me their quality of construction. Very, very nice. See the overhead cabinetry in the back. Nice leather seating surfaces, Thomas Paine recliners, solid surface Corian countertops. This one has the single basin farmhouse style sink, pull out spray faucet, and residential style stainless steel fixtures. Lots and lots of cabinetry. This unit actually has dual pantries. Three burner cooktop, nice dig oven, big pot base underneath it. 8 cubic foot stainless steel Norcord refrigerator. The second of the pantries. Both of them are lit. All the shelves have lips on them to keep your stuff from falling out. And real quick again, something that's also very important. You sit directly across from the TV and the fireplace in the proper viewing angle. Let's talk a little bit more about the AC. Fully ducted and vented, helical ducting, no 90-degree turns, no gaps to create air turbulence. It's super, super efficient and very, very quiet. As we go up into the front bedroom here. Queen size residential true 60 by 80 queen bed, wardrobes on either side. This one has a unique feature with the wardrobe slide in the bedroom. Extra storage under the bed, obviously. Held up by air struts so it's not dunking you in the head. And then into the bathroom from the bedroom, you can see the power vent in the top, skylight over the 34-inch corner shower enclosure with plexiglass. Solid surface countertops in the bathroom. Extra deep stainless steel sink so you can actually wash your hands or brush your teeth. Porcelain toilet base with foot flush. Clean it with chemicals. Not going to hurt it. Doesn't flex under your weight. Very nice feature to have. See into the medicine cabinet. Entry into the... So before we go outside, there's a wardrobe closet here. Enclosed switch panel. More overhead storage. Guys, as always, let me know if you have any questions. Continue a little bit, just looking around. This is a half-ton towable, 7,960 pound coach that is fully loaded. As always, thanks for your time and attention. Let me know if you have any questions. You can get me directly on my cell at 865-934-9341. 865-934-9341. Again, my name is Trent, T-R-E-N-T. I'm here in East Tennessee. Call me with questions. Thanks and have a great day, guys.